Hey everybody, welcome. So today we will be discussing about Quicken Simplify Spending Plan. You can see once we are on the spending plan section, you can simply head over to uh, your income and you can see everything you can manage from here. If you want to upgrade, simply head over to this section, spending plan, and over here you will have listed all of the settings related to that. And yeah, so this is basically how it is going to be working. And if you want to simply upgrade or simply set up your spending plan, this is the section for. You can see all the statistical values showing up in here and all of the other settings. So yeah, this is basically how it works. And if you want to learn more, you can consider subscribing to our channel since we are regularly uploading this kind of videos which can help you to gain the knowledge and potential help. So I hope this helps. See you guys in the next video.